Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to AppSex online sport program. I am Binish Asif from Department of Biology, Girls Senior Wing, AppSex Fort Road, Rawalpindi. Today we have lecture number 5 of week 4, that is the last lecture of this week, from chapter number 16, Sport and Locomotion, and textbook page number are page number 55 and 56. These are the pages of textbook, that is page number 55 and page number 56, which we are going to discuss in today's lesson. Topic of today's lesson is muscles, and you can see muscles in the diagram which is given below. Muscles. What are muscles? Muscles का नाम आते ही माइंड में फ़ौरन से आता है कि मसल्स वो स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं that by contraction and relaxation produce movement. Now we can also say that muscles are small mass of tissues that are present only in the bodies of animals and often attached to the bones. By contraction and relaxation, these help in movement. So how we can define muscles? Definition: the specialized tissues that can undergo contraction and relaxation and provide movements of body parts or whole body are called muscles. अब इसमें body parts की movement क्या है? For example, movement of arm or leg etc. Whole body movement क्या है कि जिसमें body as a whole move करेगी during running, walking, jogging etc. Now in the diagram you can see the red meat represents the muscle. ये सारे के सारे muscles हैं और it is said that over 40% of the total body weight there are muscles. अब अगर muscles इतने ज़्यादा हैं तो muscles के नीचे क्या चीज़ होगी? बोन्स हैं जिसके साथ इनकी अटैचमेंट है और बोन्स के साथ अटैच हो के ही ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रिलैक्स करने के बाद मूवमेंट प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. आप देखें कि खाली बोन्स भी तो नहीं मूव कर सकती. जैसे स्केलेटन है, स्केलेटन के ऊपर अगर मसल्स ना हो तो मूवमेंट हो सकती है? नो. इसी तरह अगर खाली मसल्स हों तो वो भी इसी तरह मूवमेंट अकेले नहीं कर सकते. मसल्स जो हैं बोन्स के ऊपर अटैच होकर प्रॉपर शेप ही बॉडी को देते हैं और साथ मूवमेंट में भी हेल्प करते हैं. Now next is myology. What is myology? Myo means muscle and logy means study. So the study of muscles is called myology. Now what are the functions of muscles? There are 3 main functions of muscles. Number 1, hold body parts in postural position. इसका मतलब ये है कि ये बॉडी की पोस्चर मेंटेन करेगा ड्यूरिंग सिटिंग, वॉकिंग, रनिंग, राइटिंग एक्सेट्रा. नेक्स्ट इज मूवमेंट ऑफ बॉडी फ्लूइड. Now how it helps in movement of body fluid is we know that heart is a muscular organ that pumps the blood. अब वो हार्ट के अंदर जो मसल्स हैं उन्होंने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रिलैक्स होने के बाद किसकी मूवमेंट में हेल्प करना है? दैट इज़ ब्लड. सिमिलरली देयर आर आल्सो मसल्स विच आर प्रेजेंट इन द वॉल्स ऑफ ब्लड वेसल्स जो कॉन्ट्रैक्शन और रिलैक्सेशन के बाद किसकी मूवमेंट में हेल्प करते हैं? ब्लड की. नेक्स्ट नंबर 3 इज़ heat production. How muscles produce heat? That is during contraction of muscles the ATP molecule is needed. This ATP comes from the process of respiration. जैसे ही respiration का process होगा इसमें ATP produce होता है और this ATP will break down during contraction of muscles and this produces heat. तो heat जो है वो इस तरह produce होगी body के अंदर. So these are the 3 main functions of muscles. डायग्राम में देखें एक और उन्होंने लिखा हुआ है कि स्टेबलाइजेस जॉइंट्स. अब ये स्टेबलाइज कैसे करेंगे कि मसल लिगामेंट्स जो हैं मसल टेंडन्स जो हैं वो ये प्रोवाइड करते हैं स्टेबलाइजेशन. टेंडन्स बाय स्ट्रेचिंग ओवर द जॉइंट्स प्रोवाइड स्टेबिलिटी. Next is types of muscle. You can see different types of muscles in the diagram given below. So we will discuss each type in detail. Types of muscles. There are 3 types of muscle tissues. Number 1, smooth muscles. Number 2, cardiac muscles. Number 3 is skeletal muscles. And in the diagram you can see these 3 types of muscle. In the heart are cardiac muscle. In the arms are skeletal muscles. And in the stomach that is smooth muscles. So we will discuss these 3 types one by one. Number 1 is smooth muscles. These are widely distributed throughout the body and more variable in function than the other muscle type. Why these muscles are more variable in function as compared to the other types of muscles? Because these muscles are widely distributed in the body in different tracts, that is respiratory tract, reproductive tract, circulatory tract. and mostly these are found in the hollow organs such as stomach, intestine, uterus, similarly in urinary bladder, and in skin these are also present, where these help in the erection of hairs during goosebumps, and also in the iris of eye. Of smooth muscles. First, shape of smooth muscle cell. Smooth muscle cells are spindle shaped, as you can see in the diagram, that each cell is spindle shaped, which has a circular cross section and pointed ends. Next, number of nucleus in each cell. Each cell has single nucleus, which is located in the center of cell. Next is myofilaments are not organized into sarcomeres. What is myofilament? It is single thread-like structure which is present in myofibril, and these are not organized into sarcomeres. What is sarcomeres? These are structural unit of the striated muscles. So does not have a striated appearance. As these muscles are not striated, so these are not organized in the form of sarcomeres. Next, smooth muscle cells contain non-contractile intermediate filaments and involuntary in function. It means that these don't work according to our will, but these are automatic. So where these muscles are found, these are present in digestive tract, reproductive tract, urinary tract, and blood vessels, and these are also found in the skin. Second type of muscles are known as the cardiac muscles. As their name indicates that the word cardiac represents heart, that these muscles are found only in the heart, where they branch extensively. Why these muscles branch extensively in the heart? Because these branches are joined together from end to end, and through intercalated disc. These discs help these muscles to contract in a wave-like pattern so that they can transmit the action potential more rapidly. Next, cardiac muscles are also striated like skeletal muscles. What is the meaning of striated? That these are stripped muscles. And what is the number of nucleus in each cell? Each cell usually contains one nucleus like smooth muscle in its cell, and this nucleus is located in the center of the cell. As you can see in the diagram, that these muscles are located in the heart, and these have extensive branches, and these branches are joined end to end by special disc, and each cell contains one nucleus in its cell, and these are stripped. Next, what are intercalated disc? अभी ये जो थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने आपको बताया कि इसके जो हैं कार्डियक मसल्स, दीज आर एक्सटेंसिवली ब्रांचेस इनकी बहुत ज़्यादा होंगी, और ये ब्रांचेस जो हैं एक दूसरे के साथ कंबाइन होती हैं, फ्यूज़ होंगी. किसके थ्रू फ्यूज़ होती हैं? बाय मीन्स ऑफ स्पेशल डिस्क विच आर नोन एज द इंटरकैलेटेड डिस्क. एज यू कैन सी इन द डायग्राम दैट वन कार्डियक सेल इज अटैच्ड टू द अदर बाय मीन्स ऑफ दिस डिस्क. अब इन डिस्क की क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है कि बाय द presence of these discs, these cells contract in a wave-like pattern. जब wave-like pattern में वो contract करेंगे so that they can speed up the transmission of action potential from one cell to another cell. That is the significance of the intercalated disc. Intercalated disc. Adjacent cells join together to form branching fibers by specialized cell-to-cell attachments called intercalated disc, which have gap-like junctions that allow action potentials to pass from cell to cell. It means that they can speed up the action potential so that they can easily pass from one cell to other. Third type of muscles are known as the skeletal muscles. As their name indicates, that these muscles will be attached to the skeleton or the bones. If these muscles are attached to the bones, then by contraction and relaxation, these provide or help in movement of the body. So, what is the function of these skeletal muscle? Responsible for movement of body parts or whole body movement, that is locomotion. The movement of body part is movement of arm or leg, etc., and the whole body move during running, walking, etc., that is locomotion. You can see the skeletal muscle cells in the diagram. Each skeletal muscle cell is striated or stripped. And what is the number of nucleus that is present in each skeletal muscle cell? Unlike cardiac and smooth muscles, where only one nucleus is present in each cell, here many nucleus are present in each cell of the skeletal muscle. Comparison of three types of muscle tissues. Now we will see that how these three types of muscles are different from one another. So first character is muscle appearance. Smooth muscle is unstripped, cardiac muscle is irregular stripped, and skeletal muscle is stripped or striated. So next is cell shape. Smooth muscles are spindle shaped, cardiac muscles are branched, and skeletal muscles are spindle shaped or cylindrical shape. Next, number of nuclei. Smooth muscles has one nucleus per cell, cardiac has one nucleus per cell, while skeletal muscle has many per cell. Speed of contraction. Smooth muscle is slow, cardiac muscle intermediate, and skeletal muscle slow to rapid. It means that it will fluctuate between slow and rapid. Depends upon the activity. The next is contraction caused by nervous system. In smooth muscles, cardiac muscle, it is spontaneous, and in skeletal muscle it is also caused by the nervous system. Next, what is the function of smooth muscles? Control movement of substances through hollow organs, and cardiac muscles, it pumps blood. Skeletal muscles move skeleton. Voluntary control, usually no control, usually no control. So smooth and cardiac muscles both have no control. It means that these are involuntary, but skeletal muscles have control, and skeletal muscles are voluntary in action, because the movement of these muscles is according to our own will. So these muscles are voluntary, and cardiac and smooth muscles are involuntary. So you can also see the diagram which are given below, that how these three types of cardiac muscles are different from one another. So that's the end of today's lesson. Let's have a recap of topic. So what we have discussed in today's lesson, that is muscles and types of muscles. There are three types of muscles which we have discussed. Number 1, smooth muscles. Number 2 is cardiac muscles, and number 3 is the skeletal muscles. You have to learn question number 32 from extensive questions that are given in the exercise, as this question covers the entire topic which we have discussed in today's lesson.